Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a clean my closet with me. So I'm gonna be cleaning my closet out so it looks a little messy and yeah. So I'm gonna be doing that and let's get started with the video. Make sure you subscribe and subscribe and support this one to see a video and information and click down below. So let's get started. Yeah, this is how my closet looks. Before it's really messy and fun and my doors like this all the time. So yeah, this is before. I might take this out and put it right there and put this like that. So my shoe blanket right in there or somewhere. So this is before. This is the lovely before. And let's do the after. So I move this right here, over here, and then I have my this, and I'm going to try to move this in here. Let's try because never know. But yeah, let's do it and try that. My bed and my floor over there looks and try to mess, but we're gonna try to do it. Yay. Guys, I put my chest in my closet. I did. And when I'm done, like, I don't freeze like I said anyway. So when I'm done with it or something, I'll just put my chair like this way or something. So, and I see a sweet so I got something. So I'm gonna switch that in a second so there's no ants in here. So yeah. I'm so happy. Now it's time to tackle this part. Ugh, this is so horrible, but we're gonna do it, guys. So this is okay. But now I am almost done. I have my second worker, my blankets, that's towel, I don't know why it's what somebody is, and then this is my, what's it called, desk over there, not my actual desk, but like, and then the side table, and then I put down drawers, and that's like my, what's it called? Please, my body clothes. Jeez, I cannot talk. And I'm gonna put that in the washer, and it's gonna clean my bed. So let's do that. Catch you guys in a little bit. So let's go. Hey guys, so it is almost done. Well, practically done. I have to show my camera because it was about to die, so I have you guys on charger. But this is it's really good. So I have my accessible right here. I have my all my blankets right here. This right there. I have my chair right there where I'm like want to go in my desk and stuff. My place right there. My nose cable right there, and then my bag right here. And then when you walk in here, is my desk. So this is my state of my closet right now. Is my desk. I didn't put my Christmas tree up there because it's not Christmas, so yeah, I didn't put that right there. But this is it, and it looks so good. I love it, and it gives so much space of my actual room. So yeah, I'm so happy about it. Comment down below if you guys like it and what do you think about it. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. Make sure to push some likes and subscribe and support for this month. This is a video and go for my so link it down below. So bye guys. Peace out.